Here we are looking at a really nice, large RMS portable 12 by 72 roller mill. This is a double pair. This means that it is 2 roller mills in one. It has a roller mill in the front here, and then it has another roller mill towards the back. The rolls are 12 inches in diameter by 72 inches wide. So there is a total of 8 rolls in this unit. The unit is equipped with 2 75 horsepower 3-phase electric motors. All the tires are in good shape. We're going to take this unit and we're going to open up the shields and the covers, and you're going to see everything on the inside momentarily. The unit has a scalper for scalping the cobs out of the incoming corn. We cannot run this mill for you due to our power limitations, but we are going to go over the mill in detail so that you can see the overall condition. The scalper has been removed from the top of the roller mill to lower the height of the roller mill. We are also going to give dimensions of this roller mill. The approximate capacity on yellow field corn for this unit, ground at 700 microns, is 96 tons per hour. This is showing the motor tag. The unit is equipped with 2 75 horsepower 3-phase 230/460 volt electric motors. This is showing the electrical box. It is equipped with 2 amp meters, one for each motor. And zooming in here, you can see the hours on the unit. This shows only 236 hours. This is showing inside the electrical box. Just want to show you everything, how nice it looks. There is extra fuses here, and there's also extra small fuses over here in this baggie. This is showing the large copper cord that this unit comes with. It's going to come with all of this to plug it into your facility. You can see the large plugs here. The roll adjustments turn freely and are in good shape. It does take 2 hands to adjust them, so I'm not going to adjust them in the video. They turn freely by moving this handle down would close them, and up opens them, and then you lock them into position with this handle here. This is showing the 2 in-feed gate adjustments. Currently I have them closed. You can see I marked them with marker here, what position they're supposed to be in when they're closed. I know this isn't the best way to label it, but this is the best way I could do it so that it's visible. You lock them into position with this handle here. This locks this in-feed gate closed, and this handle here locks the back in-feed gate closed. To loosen them, loosen them up, and then you can adjust them. Up is open. And you can see turning this one, that's full open. You can see I have full open marked here on the front. This is showing inside the in-feed hopper. You can see how when the flow is entered into this roller mill, it's divided between the front double pair and the back double pair over here. You can see both roller mills have a rotating agitator to keep an even feed going into the rolls. You can see, looking at the hopper, it's got some minor surface rust, but there's no thin metal and nothing is worn through. This is looking inside at the plate magnets on the back part of this roller mill. This keeps the metal foreign material out of the rolls. And I noticed on the magnets they have a date of May of 2002. So I believe that is when this roller mill was manufactured. Every single one of these magnets say May of 2002 on them. Here we are looking in at the plate magnets on the other side. This will show you the other side of the magnets. The last time I showed you the back side of the magnets. This is them when they are setting how they're supposed to be setting when the machine is running. So just showing you inside there. This is showing inside at the top set of rolls on the back part of the mill. The unit has 5 grooves per inch on the top set of rolls. This is looking inside at the bottom set of rolls. They have 14 grooves per inch. Both sets of rolls are still sharp and in good condition. This is showing inside at the top set of rolls on the front of the mill. This is showing inside the bottom set of rolls on the front. Again, we had 6 grooves on the top set of rolls and 14 on the bottom. This is showing the inside of the belt guard on the left side of the roller mill. You can also see, looking in here, this is the back part of the roller mill. This is one roller mill by itself, and this is the front part of the roller mill. This is another roller mill by itself. The last owner took the time to add all of these idlers. I'm going to leave those on there. I believe they will help the unit to keep from having belt slop and also to keep the pulleys from slipping. And the last owner also had extra belts, which I'm going to send with the unit. I have organized and labeled all these belts, and I wrote the size of the belts on this side. These belts go with this side of the unit, and then on the other side I have other belts that go with that side. You can look in and you can see the bearings. The bearings are in good shape. We oiled all these tracks. We actually took those bars off and oiled behind them so that the adjustments slide smoothly. This is showing inside the belt on the other side. Just wanting to show you pretty much all the same information applies. We took these tracks off. We oiled behind them so that they adjust nice and smooth. We have extra belts over here, and I took the time to write the sizes of the belts right here inside the belt guard so you can keep track of that easily. You can look at the bearings. We got heavy duty Dodge bearings here. Bearings are in good shape. Right here by the hitch you have 2 handles. These control a trap door that is underneath of the auger conveyors that convey the product out the back of the trailer. We got these doors all freed up and they turn smooth. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Go ahead and turn them. I had to stop and loosen these locking handles. They were tightened down, so once you get it shut, you use this locking handle to hold it into position. This is looking in at the bottom auger. You can see that the auger is not sharp and it is in excellent shape. Just going down, you can see we have the discharge cleanout door open. This is for if you're done grinding, you can open the door and completely blow and clean the unit out, which is recommended every single time you are ready to put this mill away for the season. Always make sure and do a thorough clean out. See, looking at the hitch here, that the trailer has its own independent hydraulic brake system. Zooming in here, you can see that the tires on the unit look good. Hopefully the camera focuses there, you can see it. One thing I wanted to note, I do have a brand new hitch coming that is rated for 25,000 pounds. I wanted to add that so it can be transported and moved around safely, because I believe that this hitch here, you know, just judging by the condition, I think it needs to be replaced. So I do have a new hitch coming. The overall length of this roller mill from the back of the discharge screw conveyor to the tip of the front hitch is 19 foot 6 inches, or 234 inches. The overall width of the trailer from fender to fender is 102 inches wide. However, it is about 105 with this motor sticking out. I believe maybe this motor could be adjusted inward, and obviously that would loosen the drive belt on the inside, but maybe this could be done to get it to the 102 inches. The back frame, I'm not sure if that really matters though, because the back frame of the motor mount is sticking over the trailer just a little bit by approximately 1 inch or so, maybe 1.5 inches. The overall height without the scalper on top of the unit is 120 inches, or 10 feet, and the weight of the unit is 21,000 pounds. With the scalper on top, it adds an extra 24 inches to the height. We will now go ahead and do a final walk around of the unit. Another quick note, we did make this wood platform to cover all that copper up in the hopes that it won't be seen and walk off. Just doing a final walk around to show the overall condition. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.